Hello and welcome back to Speak Fast English, your space to listen, repeat, shadow and learn English at a slow, natural pace. I'm here with you today and I'm really excited to share this special episode about confidence. This lesson is designed for A2 to B1 level learners who want to overcome their fear of speaking English. Today, we're going to learn 30 essential confidence expressions that will help you speak English without fear. These expressions will make you feel more comfortable and natural when you communicate in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll have powerful tools to express yourself with confidence in any situation. Many English learners tell me they feel nervous when they speak. They worry about making mistakes. They feel embarrassed about their pronunciation. They think their grammar isn't perfect. If this sounds like you, don't worry. This is completely normal. Even native speakers make mistakes when they talk. The secret to confident speaking isn't perfect English. The secret is having the right expressions and knowing how to use them naturally. When you have these tools, you feel prepared. When you feel prepared, you speak with confidence. Before we start practicing, let me explain our shadowing method. I'll say each expression clearly and slowly. After I say each expression, you'll hear me say, "Now you repeat." This is your signal to repeat the expression out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on saying the words clearly and with confidence. Speaking practice works best when you actually speak out loud. So please don't just listen. Repeat every expression. Move your mouth. Use your voice. This active practice is what will build your confidence over time. Remember, confidence comes from practice and repetition. The more you use these expressions, the more natural they will become. Today we're starting your journey to fearless English speaking. Let's begin with our first group of confidence expressions. These are perfect for everyday situations when you want to sound confident and natural. Expression number 1, I'm confident about this. Now you repeat. This expression shows you believe in yourself and your abilities. You can use it at work, at school, or in any situation where you want to express certainty. Expression number 2, I feel good about this decision. Now you repeat. Use this when you want to show that you're comfortable with the choice you've made. It's a calm and positive way to express confidence. Expression number 3, I can handle this situation. Now you repeat. This is perfect when facing challenges. It shows you believe in your ability to manage difficult circumstances. Expression number 4, I'm ready for this challenge. Now you repeat. This expression demonstrates that you're prepared and willing to take on something difficult. It shows courage and determination. Expression number 5, I believe in myself. Now you repeat. This is one of the most powerful confidence expressions. It shows self-trust and inner strength. Expression number 6, I know I can do this. Now you repeat. This expression shows strong self-belief. Use it when you want to motivate yourself or show others your determination. These first 6 expressions form the foundation of confident speaking. They help you express self-belief in clear, simple language. Practice these until they feel natural and comfortable. Now let's learn expressions that help you overcome negative thoughts and fears. These are especially useful when you feel uncertain or worried. Expression number 7, I won't let fear stop me. Now you repeat. This powerful expression shows you're willing to act despite feeling afraid. It demonstrates courage and determination. Expression number 8, I can learn from my mistakes. Now you repeat. This expression shows a positive attitude toward errors. It helps you see mistakes as opportunities for growth. Expression number 9, I'm getting better every day. Now you repeat. This expression focuses on progress and improvement. It helps you maintain a positive mindset about your learning journey. Expression number 10. I trust my abilities. Now you repeat. This expression shows faith in your own skills and knowledge. It's perfect for building self-confidence. Expression number 11. I deserve to succeed. Now you repeat. This powerful expression helps you overcome feelings of unworthiness. It reminds you that you have value and potential. Expression number 12. I'm proud of my progress. Now you repeat. This expression helps you recognize and celebrate your achievements. It's important for maintaining motivation and confidence. These expressions help you develop a positive internal dialogue. They transform negative self-talk into empowering thoughts that support your confidence. Let's learn expressions that help you sound authoritative and credible when you speak. These are perfect for professional situations and formal conversations. Expression number 13. In my opinion. Now you repeat. This is a respectful way to introduce your thoughts and ideas. It shows you value your own perspective. Expression number 14. I believe that. Now you repeat. This expression indicates your conviction about something. It's stronger than I think, but still respectful. Expression number 15. I'm certain about this. Now you repeat. Use this when you have strong confidence in your knowledge or position. It shows complete certainty. Expression number 16. From my experience. Now you repeat. This expression draws on your personal knowledge and background. It adds credibility to your statements. Expression number 17. I stand by my position. Now you repeat. This shows you're committed to your viewpoint. It demonstrates strength and conviction. Expression number 18. I'm convinced that. Now you repeat. This expression shows strong belief based on evidence or reasoning. It's more formal than I believe. These expressions help you present your ideas with authority and conviction. They make your speech sound more professional and credible. Now we'll learn expressions that build confidence in yourself and encourage others. These create positive energy in conversations. Expression number 19. You can do this. Now you repeat. This is perfect for encouraging others or motivating yourself. It's simple, but very powerful. Expression number 20. We've got this. Now you repeat. This expression builds team confidence. It shows unity and shared determination. Expression number 21. Everything will work out. Now you repeat. This optimistic expression helps during uncertain times. It shows faith in positive outcomes. Expression number 22. I have faith in us. Now you repeat. This expression shows confidence in group abilities. It builds trust and cooperation. Expression number 23. We can overcome this challenge. Now you repeat. This expression focuses on collective strength and problem-solving ability. Expression number 24. Success is within reach. Now you repeat. This expression creates a positive vision of achievement. It motivates action and persistence. These encouraging expressions help create positive atmospheres in conversations. They build confidence in yourself and inspire others around you. Let's finish with 6 powerful expressions that summarize confident thinking and speaking. These are perfect for any situation where you want to project strength and positivity. Expression number 25. I'm comfortable with myself. Now you repeat. This expression shows self-acceptance and inner peace. It's the foundation of true confidence. Expression number 26. I speak my mind clearly. Now you repeat. This shows you're not afraid to express your thoughts. It demonstrates communication confidence. Expression number 27. I face challenges head-on. Now you repeat. This expression shows courage and directness. It demonstrates your willingness to confront difficulties. Expression number 28. I stay calm under pressure. Now you repeat. This shows emotional control and stability. It's a sign of mature confidence. Expression number 29. I learn something new every day. Now you repeat. This expression shows a growth mindset. It demonstrates confidence in your ability to improve. Expression number 30. I am enough just as I am. Now you repeat. This final expression is about self-acceptance and self-worth. It's perhaps the most important confidence statement of all. Excellent work. You've just practiced 30 essential confidence expressions. These expressions are powerful tools that will help you speak English without fear and hesitation. Let me quickly review the 5 groups we covered today. First, we learned basic confidence expressions like I'm confident about this and I believe in myself. These form the foundation of confident speaking. Second, we practiced expressions for overcoming doubts and fears, such as I won't let fear stop me, and I can learn from my mistakes. These help you maintain a positive mindset. Third, we studied expressions for speaking with authority, including in my opinion, and I'm certain about this. These make your speech sound more professional and credible. Fourth, we learned encouraging expressions like you can do this and we've got this. These build confidence in yourself and others. Finally, we practiced powerful summary expressions such as I'm comfortable with myself and I am enough just as I am. These represent the highest level of confidence and self-acceptance. Now I want to share some important tips for using these expressions effectively. First, practice them regularly. Say them out loud every day until they become automatic. The more you practice, the more natural they will sound. Second, use them in real conversations. Start with low-pressure situations like talking to friends or family. Gradually use them in more challenging situations like work meetings or presentations. Third, believe in the words you're saying. These expressions work best when you truly mean them. Start by using them in situations where you genuinely feel confident, then gradually expand to more challenging areas. Fourth, pay attention to your body language. Confident expressions work better when your posture, eye contact, and gestures match your words. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Fifth, be patient with yourself. Building confidence takes time. Don't expect immediate perfection. Celebrate small improvements and keep practicing consistently. Remember, every native English speaker started as a beginner too. They made mistakes, felt nervous, and struggled with confidence. The difference is they kept practicing and never gave up. You have everything you need to speak English confidently. You have these 30 powerful expressions. You have the shadowing method for practice. Most importantly, you have the courage to keep learning and improving. I recommend creating a daily confidence practice routine. Every morning, choose 3 expressions from today's lesson and say them out loud. Look in the mirror and speak with conviction. This daily practice will program your mind for confident thinking. Before important conversations or presentations, review these expressions. Choose the ones that fit your situation and repeat them quietly to yourself. This preparation will boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. After conversations, reflect on which expressions you use successfully. Celebrate these small victories. Also notice which expressions you forgot to use and plan to include them next time. Keep a confidence journal where you write down situations where you spoke confidently in English. Note which expressions helped you the most. This will help you track your progress and build on your successes. Today you've learned 30 essential expressions for confident English speaking. These are not just words. They're tools for transformation. They can change how you think about yourself and how others perceive you. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable with who you are and expressing yourself clearly. These expressions will help you do exactly that. Every time you practice these expressions, you're building new neural pathways in your brain. You're literally rewiring your mind for confidence and success. This is scientific fact, not just positive thinking. The fear of speaking English affects millions of learners around the world. You're not alone in this journey. But today you've taken a powerful step toward overcoming that fear. You've equipped yourself with expressions that will serve you for years to come. I believe in your ability to become a confident English speaker. You have intelligence, determination, and now you have the right tools. Trust in yourself and keep practicing. Thank you for joining me today for this confidence-building lesson. I hope these 30 expressions will transform your English speaking experience. Remember to practice regularly, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress. This is your journey to fearless English speaking. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep moving forward. I'll see you in our next lesson, where we'll continue building your English confidence together. Until then, remember, you are capable, you are improving, and you have everything it takes to succeed. Keep speaking with confidence